but here's also what they missed. Let me go do that with my own numbers, my own research. So yeah, Nazish, I'm on board with that. If you do feel like, hey, I got a couple of really good statistics tools that I understand, that I know how to run, that I know the code for, or whatever. Yeah, the next step is absolutely to go out and start finding your own research. And then, if you want the third step is to take what you did, write an article about it, and you're writing it in plain words, right? Not in technical code and formulas, but in plain words, and then post that on LinkedIn and make that part of your resume, of your portfolio. That would be the third step in that process that you're talking about, Nazish. Take what you did, write it in plain words. I want to say plain English, but I know you guys speak a variety of languages, but plain words, plain English. Post it on LinkedIn, and then in your interviews or in your resume or whatever, talk about it and say, yeah, here's some data that I found. I found this on my own. This is the methodology that I applied to it. These are the experiments I decided I needed. This is what the code looks like, and these are my results. That's super valuable for an interview. Like I as a hiring manager would read that prior to you coming in, or prior to seeing if I want to interview you, right? And don't be embarrassed about your results. You don't have to come up with anything amazing. You just have to come up with a reasonable rationale and approach for what you did and how you did it, right? Because a good manager, the managers you want to work for, are going to be looking for rationale, right? They're going to not ignore your conclusions, but your conclusions are going to matter less. You're going to want, it's more about the rationale, right? About how you got to that answer. Because if I'm reading that, again, me as the hiring manager, I can look at that and say, hey, yeah, this person understands the process. They collected a reasonable amount of data. That code looks okay. Yeah, looks good. I don't care what your answer is at that point, right? I just know that you have a reasonable thought pattern, and I need that on my team. Good data scientists have a good process, right?